Guys, today I have a new video after a long break because of school, editing, bunch of other stuff. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make this new trending football editing style that's been going really viral lately. It's like with this ranking stuff, and it's actually pretty simple. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. So let's jump straight into Davinci Resolve. Okay, so this is the video that we're going to be replicating. Very simple stuff. So pretty easy. For me, I just took some random football highlights off of YouTube, and I'm also gonna just use the music off of the example video. Once you've got your music in and your video, you want to choose the parts of the video that you want. So for me, I'm just gonna leave it as it is because this is just an example. But let's say you have your clips here. So these are all different kinds of clips. What you then want to do is hold Alt and select the upper layer, and then keep holding Alt and duplicating it up. Then you want to select the bottom layer of your clips and hit compound clip and call this blur BG for the blurred background, because as we saw in the video, they have this like square that's blurred and the square of the actual video that's clean and unblurred. So once you've done that, you want to select the upper layer, also hit compound clip, and then type in clean footage. Now you want to zoom in out of your clean footage to about as much as you want. It's really just self-preference here. You want to put it right about here. I think this looks good. And then you want to select blur background. Come on over here to the effects panel if you don't have it selected. It's in the top left, effects. Search Gaussian, go to open effects, and then drag that onto blur background, or you can just double click it and then you can turn it up as much as you want. This is also just self-preference right here. So I think this looks pretty good already. Okay guys, so the next step is to create this intro title. So as you can see, it fades in, and this is actually really simple to make. You want to go ahead to titles, text plus, grab one of those, and the font that you want is called Organetto. I'm gonna link this font in my bio, so you can just click there and download it. And then you just want to copy the text. So top 10 so far, size it up, and you can see there's a pretty strong drop shadow. So go back to your text, go to the effects panel again, search drop, go to open effects, drag drop shadow onto your text, increase the strength to the max, turn the blur down and drop the distance. Drop another drop shadow on top, increase the strength again, turn the blur down and decrease the distance. This might even be a little too much. Let me take this down. And now it looks pretty much like the video. Now to make off 2025 big and make them fade in after each other, you want to go to your text and go to the fusion panel. And here you want to click on template, text, right click in this gray text box and select character level styling. This enables you to customize every single character. So go to modifiers. So as you saw in the video, the off 2025 was big, so you want to select that first, and then you want to increase the size to about 0.22, or you can go even bigger, so 0.244, and change the color to that light blue. And now you want to go to shading, select everything and turn the opacity down. Now keyframe it. Go about 10 to 15 frames ahead. Select the first row of words. Turn the opacity up. Then go 5 frames ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from those 5 frames, go 15 frames ahead. Now select the middle row of words. Turn the opacity up. Now wait 5 frames again. And then go 15 frames ahead. And now select the last row of words and turn the opacity up. So now you have this animation. Now you can adjust the keyframes to your own liking. I have them coming in pretty fast. And if the space in between bothers you, then you can just click on the text plus node, go to video, text, and decrease the line spacing to make it closer. Now the last step into making this viral style is making these zoom outs or zoom ins. And these are actually pretty easy to make, so let me show you. First, you want to go to the effects panel again and search adjustment and go to effects and grab one. Then you want to go to the beginning of the adjustment clip and count until 10 frames and add a marker in the adjustment clip, and then go 10 frames ahead again and cut it. Then right click the adjustment clip and press open in Fusion page. Now add in a transform node. Make sure you take the XF one and not the below one. Now you want to keyframe the size at the beginning, so at frame 0. Then go 10 frames ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set the size to 0.3. Go 1 frame ahead and turn the size up to 1.7. Then you want to go to the last frame, so frame 20, and turn the size down to 1 again. Then also make sure your edges are set to mirror, and make sure your motion blur is set to 10 and your shutter angle is also set to 360. Once you're done, you should be left with something like this. A clean, smooth little zoom out transition. And you want to make sure that the marker on your adjustment clip is aligned with the cuts that you made between the clips. So for example, if the end of my first clip is here and the start of my second clip is here, so the cut is in the middle, you want to make sure that the blue marker from the adjustment clip aligns with that cut. So it's a smooth transition. You see this? And then you can literally just copy and paste them anywhere you want. And you really can't go wrong with this transition. I mean, it's so simple, but it's really clean and subtle. So yeah, that's how you make these new trending football videos. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, maybe even follow my personal Instagram account because I'm trying to grow that. Let me know if you have any video ideas I should do, any questions or any tips on how I can make the videos better. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.